How to join Uber as a driver. In this video, I will guide you step by step on Uber driver sign up process. The first step is to meet the minimum requirements such as age requirement, which is typically 21 plus years old. You also need at least 1 year of licensed driving experience, a valid driver's license, a four-door vehicle that meets Uber's requirement, and it also must pass a vehicle inspection. Next step is to prepare the required documents such as driver's license, vehicle registration, proof of insurance, and profile photo. Once you meet all the eligibility and prepare the required documents, now you can continue with the sign up process. For that, open up any web browser and head over to uber.com/signup/drive. Tap on the sign up to drive option. Now you will have to fill in your name, email, phone number, and city, then choose to drive a vehicle or deliver. Then you will have to upload all required documents and wait for approval. Uber will conduct a background check that reviews your driving record and criminal history. Once you are approved, you want to download the Uber driver app, log in with your registered account, then go online and start accepting trip requests. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.